Welcome to another video from Destination J to Z. As promised, I told you I'd let you know as soon as I found out more information about Interstate 40 at the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. Right now, it is slated to be open by March the 1st. 2 lanes only, 1 lane in each direction, 1 lane east, 1 lane west. It will be down to 1 lane for a little bit over 5 miles at the Tennessee-North Carolina state line. The eastbound lanes has totally washed away, as you've seen in the previous pictures after the Helene hurricane came through. They have completed with the soil nails to shore up the road and now ensure that it is safe to travel on the westbound side of the highway. They're still going to be continuing to work alongside that. So speed limit is going to be limited to only 40 miles per hour through that 5-mile stretch. So please bear in mind and please keep those workers alive and slow down through that area. Also, there will not be any wide loads permitted to go through that area as it will be very narrow. Wide loads will still have to continue to travel on I-75 coming up through Atlanta or I-77 going down through North Carolina. That being the case, it's still great news for the travelers and RVers alike as we're getting ready to ramp up the spring and start the camping season where travelers can travel easier to and from North Carolina to Tennessee. Hope this information's been helpful. Don't forget to share it out. Thanks for watching and hope to see you guys on the next one. And remember, safe travels.